We're gonna make asparagus and eggs and Parmigiano. Usually I boil the asparagus, but on my test run earlier, I noticed that they came out just as good. And actually they had more flavor when I didn't boil them and I just put them right in the oven. So that's what we're gonna do with this. So we're gonna cut the edges. So there we go, we just cut the bottom and we're gonna put them on a little bit of a bed of olive oil and butter and then put our asparagus on top. So here we go. And this is so simple, but very much so traditional in Italian cooking. A lot of bars and restaurants, they have this dish on their menu. So I'm just gonna break up the butter a little bit and put the asparagus right on top like this. And then add a little bit more of olive oil. So we're gonna do this in a few steps. Put the asparagus in, take them out, put the Parmigiano, put it back in, take it out again, and then put the egg and finish it off. So let's try this. This is the first time I make this in this oven, so let's see what happens. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna break my egg. I have 2 eggs, but we're just gonna use 1 because in case we mess up, we have another chance at it. So there we go. We have our egg. We have our Parmigiano Reggiano that we grated at the restaurant, even though you can buy it at the market, ready grated. Very simple. So now we're gonna wait a few minutes, turn the asparagus as it's cooking, so every side from the top to the bottom is evenly cooking. And you can hear it, it's sizzling. The asparagus is curling already. It means it's on its way to cooking, getting softer. I give it a little slant so the juice is more involved with the asparagus. Turn it. And this oven right now is really hot. And as you can see, it's already sizzling. That took 20 seconds, 30 seconds. So here we have the first step. As you can see, it's already cooked and browning. I'm gonna put the Parmigiano cheese and put them right back in the oven for 1 more minute. Then we're gonna take it out and put the egg, and then we're done. That's how quick and simple it is. And a lot of restaurants, you go and you see this plate and this is, you're like, wow, how can they ever make this so beautiful and so tasty? And that's how you make it. And look at this, the cheese is already melted. We're gonna put the egg. And it's probably just gonna cook like this, but let's put it 1 more minute inside and we're done. And it smells so good, the combination of everything. The Parmigiano, the egg, and the asparagus together, and the butter. Of course you have to use some butter because it just completes the dish. I'm gonna turn it again. I like my egg a little bit runny, not too solid. And here we go. Look how beautiful that is. Put it on top. Make sure it's not sticking. Oh, this is the hard part right here. A little bit of salt again, some pepper, and there you have it. Let me tell you, this is delicious. It's our asparagus with egg, Parmigiano, salt and pepper.